The Sewing Machine, innovated by Elias Howe. It's an ordinary day at the factory, and Ari Davis starts up a conversation with Elias Howe.
What's poppin', homie?
Hey, broski. You know, whoever invents that first sewing machine is gonna be filthy rich.
That gives me an idea.
That night, Elias gets tucked into bed and begins to have a dream, more like a nightmare. Elias is surrounded by many bloodthirsty cannibals and suddenly makes the realization that their spears are very peculiar. Peculiar enough that he tries to steal one. Suddenly he awakens in a cold sweat, gripping the spear with all his strength. Let us take a closer look at the spear. The spear, upon closer examination, has 2 holes in it, giving Elias the idea he needs in order to execute his plan to make the sewing machine. He invents the sewing machine, but there are positive and negative outcomes. Elias inadvertently forced many women out of their jobs as seamstresses. The positive outcome of the sewing machine is that Elias was able to help clothing production become a lot easier, making clothing a big mass production. This resulted in the supply being large, which brought down the price of clothing.
So we suggest you invest in an Elias Howe sewing machine yourself and save for $299.99.
Well, I guess I was right. I did make you filthy rich, Elias.
I know all thanks to you and that dream, Ari.